Today I'm doing a video on a mop. This is pretty cool from the outside. You can give it a spin. My wife purchased this for $39 at Target. She purchased it because she saw a similar one in a family's home and she liked the concept and wanted to try it. One of the things that she likes is that the mop is a microfiber mop and that she doesn't have to touch the dirty water or the dirty microfiber cloth or mop. So we're gonna open it. Let me just show you the whole box. Pretty light box. We're gonna be doing an unboxing and a look at, and we're gonna try it out for a few days. I'm gonna try it out myself. Not much to this, huh? Empty box. This is the bucket. Handle. I think it's pretty cool. I'm assuming this comes out. Does this come out? Okay, let me take the mop out. Oh, it feels nice. For now, until it gets all dirty and used. What is this? Why are you getting this?
Oh my gosh, that's weird.
So this came by accident. They shipped this was shipped to the home, and she actually did purchase this, and she was looking for it, and she had no idea where it was because it wasn't in the box, but it was inside here. So it must have fell somehow in the packaging here. It was a big box that they delivered in it. And this must have fallen in during shipping inside here. So she's surprised to see this. So this does not come with the mop. That was just an accident. Anyway, this spins. Do you think this comes out?
I don't know, but are there instructions?
We have to first try it before we look at instructions. There's no instructions for me. Okay, so let me just show you the instructions. So you could scan the code there for assembly instructions. So I'm gonna leave this for a few seconds and you can scan it with your phone to look at a video for assembly. That's the phone number to call. So I'm gonna follow the instructions. And my wife's gonna help me follow the instructions. Phone number again. All right, honey, I need your help. Well, first let me, what I usually do, measure this real quick. You can get an idea of the size of the bucket. About 9. From here to here is about 18. From here, the area that's accessible this way is about 9. About 8 there, depth. 5, 4 to 5 depth for this. 9. And the actual mop itself, circumference wise, is about 7. Okay, so I think it's pretty easy. You take this piece here. There's a screw thing here, and this is the actual stick itself, and that should screw in here.
Huh.
That's not the microfiber?
No, it is. It just seems very light. Very fluffy.
Okay, screws it in. Don't do it too tight. It feels like I could still tighten it, but I don't want to break it. It's metal, right? Metal, aluminum, plastic. Okay. And take this. Let's make sure I'm doing everything correctly with the instructions. Take this, put it right on top, right?
Mm-hmm. It says align the head base over the plastic ring and tap with foot on the head base to click the mop head into position.
So do the notches have to match up? No.
Yeah, it doesn't say that it does. It just says to align it over the plastic ring.
Right.
And then you click it into place with your foot.
Yeah, it shows a foot, so I'm gonna try to do it by hand first.
I think you have to, no. Mm-hmm. There we go.
Okay, did it by hand. Awesome.
It says gently lower the locking lever to release and lengthen the handle. Do not lower past 45 degrees.
Okay,
as
look
it will
at that.
damage the lever.
And
Then raise the locking lever and snap back into place and you're ready to mop.
oh, it turns. Cool. Let me do a quick measurement. This is the full length of the actual mop. Pulling this up has nothing to do with extending. Can you hold this, honey? Extending the mop. So can you turn it?
Turn it?
Yeah, turn it. Pull it up. Turn it so you can take. Oh wait, is it here? Okay, there we go. Okay, the other way. Oh, pull it up. Pull it up. Oh, okay, there we go. She pulled it up. Okay, pull the whole thing up. So is this made to actually do the rinsing of the mop? You push down on it, and it spins it.
I think so.
Okay, let's try that out. So this is actually not the actual length. So.
Because the other one, you have to press a lever with your foot. And I think this one,
there we go. Okay. Okay. So I guess
you see it'll be wet and going inside the...
you'll be putting the whole thing in, and the little hairs won't be all over the place. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, that's cool. You see that? And then when you're ready to mop, you lock it, lift it up, and it doesn't come up. And you do the mopping.
Ah.
This is a mop. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Is there a way to extend the size though? Or you can extend it to where you want to extend it to. Okay, I get it. Oh, that's nice.
Can
too.
you extend it? I thought it was just used
Yeah.
to...
I think you can mop with
Oh,
this
okay.
extended because the image shows it sticking out a little bit.
I guess so. Do you need it that long?
No, but it's nice to know that it's.
Alright, so what's the
good
full
for any
length of
time.
that? So can you bring it out as far as you... Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Now, what's the full length? Just let us know. I'll hold it at the bottom. Yeah.
So the full length is 51 inches.
51 inches. Wow.
So for a taller person.
I guess so.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll try it out maybe for about a week, a few
Okay.
days, a week, until we get our next chance to do the video, and we'll let you know yay or nay on it. You think you're gonna be happy with it?
Yeah, let's see.
Okay. Well, we'll be back. What's this down here? What does it say? Oh, there's the maximum amount of water.
Yeah, it has measurements
I
in
didn't know
meters, I
that.
believe.
See, if I didn't read that, I would have filled it up to here because I don't read instructions.
And then if you turn this around, there's
Oh.
measurements there. So you want to fill it up to a certain amount of.
So when you're doing like
gallons or-
chlorine to water,
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Or like
detergent to water. And in the instructions, did you read anything about taking this out?
No, nothing indicated that you could take it off, so please do not try.
You
Please
sure?
do not.
I don't know. It feels kind of loose. Anyway, I'll just leave it alone. All right, let's come back in a few days.
So this whole thing supposedly, this part here before you attach it, the disc is machine washable.
Oh, so you can pull that completely off and just throw it
Yeah.
in the wash and it washes?
Yeah, but it's kind of weird because I think you wash it with this device. I think the other mop does not have this disc.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's like the old type of mops where you just pinch it with the mop.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
All right, let's come back and try it out. We'll be back. You can bring it down. Our first use came out like that. You spinned it around, correct?
So I did
You want
this.
to try it again?
Yeah.
See what happens.
So I put it in here, like so. Oops. Wait, that's
You
not-
just leave it open.
Yeah, I forgot what I'm supposed to do. Okay. So I put it in like that. And I lifted it up and poured it.
And everything goes in perfectly good.
And everything went in. And then
And that's why you fill the water that low, so that you actually have the area to dispense the excess water. I'm looking at the water coming out. Okay, now.
kind of give it a stop. And then I kind of like it there.
And it still looks like that. Cool. Okay, put it on the floor, see how it...
And I have the floor. It's really fluffy. I don't know if it's because I put on the soap now. The floor is super dirty just for this. I like the, oh, I think it tells you to do it again. Like in S fashion like this so that
Oh, okay.
the strings don't get caught up underneath the disc.
Cool. All right. All we have to worry about is the cat chasing the...
I don't know.
Because she's looking at it behind you, just to let
Yes.
you know. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we'll see what she does.
Okay, keep going. Let's see where she does. I guess she's busy being brushed.
Oh yeah, she did. Okay.
But she is looking. Keep doing that.
She is
As you can see, she's looking. Well, she just was looking. Can you keep mopping? so you can see.
Oh yeah, I've just been waiting for over a week to mop.
She is really looking for the. Okay, she was. Okay, let's come back. So it's been now a week or two? 2 weeks.
Mhm.
How do you like it?
I like it a lot. I thought it was easy to use.
I used it myself and I also liked it. I had no issues with it. It was nice to, the way it dried, that you spin it like this, you know, with the, like that, hold on. You take this handle down and the way you can actually dry it like that, when it's wet, all the little threads go,
Right
point
inside.
downward. So you don't have water spilling everywhere. And like I think I showed in the video that the water comes out over here, gets drained on the side, in the bottom over here. So it does a pretty good job doing that. Did you wash it in the machine or you just?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so
Still looks pretty good. Looks pretty clean.
it's either a very good mop or a very clean house.
And yeah, I think.
So one of the nice things that I did like about this also was this opening here makes it easy to drain. My wife found that out. She was draining the dirty water, correct?
Mhm.
And the handle played a big role. My wife's a small woman. So make sure that you only fill up the water up to here. One, for weight, and two, because when you're draining the mop, you need space between the water and the drainage area so that the dirty water goes back in here. Or should it be dirty water? Not really dirty water, but the water, the excess water.
Yeah.
Would that be right? Okay. And one of the things you liked was the handle, the way you were able to lift it up.
Yes, I also like the fact that the way you mentioned that little spout right there, it allows you to pour things right out into, for example, the slop sink, wherever you're pouring your dirty water into, just really easy, and it doesn't like splash over the edge of the bucket.
Yeah, it stays within this area here. So it's like a spout or a funnel.
Correct.
That you dictate where the water goes, and since it's exact the way it's sized, makes it easier to, you know, dump the water in the sink, toilet, wherever you decide to throw the dirty water. So it made it easier, and the weight with the amount of water they tell you to put in was pretty good too, right?
Yeah, it was well balanced, and this, like you said, that spout is nice and wide, so it empties out quick. I really liked it.
Okay. All right, so this is the end of the video. We really like it. It's a plus from us, right?
Correct. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Where did we get this?
Target?
Okay. And you ordered it and it came by the mail, right?
Yeah, I think
It was delivered.
It was delivered.
Okay. All right. So it's a definite thumbs up. We like it. I'm a regular person. I'm not a mop expert. My wife's not a mop expert. But we use these things to keep the home clean. And we like the way it works. So I hope this video helps. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye now.
Bye.